You think chemistry started in a clean lab with white coats and rational thinking. Think again. Modern chemistry was born in smoke-filled rooms where alchemists chanted incantations over bubbling liquids. Their goal wasn't understanding nature, but cheating death. The first periodic tables weren't for sharing knowledge. They were mystical symbols meant to hide secrets. For centuries, alchemists chased the impossible, turning lead into gold and brewing an elixir for eternal life. They failed spectacularly, but in that failure, they accidentally invented the experimental method. They discovered new elements. They developed techniques we still use today. The quest for magic gave birth to science. This is the story of how chemistry's mystical past created our rational present. Imagine living in medieval Europe. Life expectancy is 35. Deadly diseases are a complete mystery. In this world, two dreams obsess humanity: living forever and having unlimited wealth. Alchemy promised both with a single substance, the Philosopher's Stone, a legendary material that could transmute worthless metal into pure gold and grant eternal life. It sounds ridiculous to us, but they didn't know what matter was. They saw transformation everywhere: caterpillars becoming butterflies, seeds becoming trees. So why couldn't lead become gold? Figures like Nicholas Flamel were said to have succeeded, achieving immortality. Paracelsus, a revolutionary physician, tried to create life itself in a flask. These weren't fools. They were the geniuses of their time, and beneath the magic, they were driven by a profound curiosity. They heated things, mixed them, and carefully observed the results. They were wrong about why things happened, but they were doing experiments. That impulse to manipulate the world and see what happens is the true seed of science. Picture an alchemist's workshop in the 1400s. Dim candlelight, smoke from furnaces, strange glass vessels, and shelves of mysterious powders. The alchemist consults texts written in code, using symbols of serpents and lions to describe chemical processes. It looks like a wizard's lair, but they were keeping detailed notes, recording procedures, and building knowledge through trial and error. And through this, they made real discoveries by accident. In 1669, Hennig Brand was trying to create the Philosopher's Stone from urine. He boiled hundreds of gallons of it, and one night, the residue glowed in the dark. He discovered a new element, phosphorus. Another alchemist, forced to make gold for a king, failed but invented European porcelain instead. The distillation techniques they perfected gave us purified alcohol, perfumes, and powerful new acids. All of these practical advances were byproducts of chasing a fantasy. For centuries, alchemical knowledge was kept secret. Alchemists wrote in code to protect their work from greedy rulers and rival practitioners. They describe a process as the wedding of the Red King and White Queen, instead of just writing down the recipe. But this secrecy slowed progress to a crawl.